Welcome to English Easy Hub. Join us as we ignite the flames of your English learning journey together.
Please subscribe to watch and embark on your English learning journey. Don't miss out on the exciting content. Ordering food is an essential part of our daily lives. Whether dining out at a restaurant, ordering takeout over the phone, or cooking at home, it requires the use of English language skills. Mastering the English used for ordering food is crucial for beginners as it not only enhances language proficiency, but also boosts confidence in everyday communication. In the following scenarios, we will demonstrate how to use English to order food in different situations, helping beginners improve their English proficiency.
Hi Lisa, have you decided what you want to order?
Not yet, I'm still looking at the menu. Everything looks so delicious.
Yeah, it's hard to choose. I think I'll go for the pasta. What about you?
I'm torn between the salad and the burger. Maybe I'll go for the salad to keep it light.
Good choice. I'll have the pasta with extra cheese, please.
And I'll have the Caesar salad with grilled chicken, please.
Sure. Would you like any appetizers or drinks to start with?
We'll share a plate of garlic bread, and I'll have a glass of red wine.
I'll just have a glass of water, please.
Got it. I'll bring those out for you shortly.
Thanks. Oh, and can we also get a side of marinara sauce for the garlic bread, please?
Of course. I'll bring that out with your appetizers.
Jack, do you want to order dessert too?
Maybe we can share a slice of cheesecake after the main course.
Sounds like a plan. Let's save some room for it.
Hi Lisa, are you hungry? I was thinking of ordering some food.
That sounds great. What are you thinking of getting?
I was thinking of ordering pizza. Do you like pizza?
I love pizza. Can we get one with pepperoni and extra cheese?
Sure thing. And maybe some garlic bread on the side?
Sounds perfect. Let's also get a bottle of soda.
Okay, I'll call and place the order now. It should be here in about 30 minutes.
Great. I'll set the table while we wait.
Did you want any dipping sauce for the garlic bread?
Oh, yes. Can we get some marinara sauce, please?
Absolutely. I'll make sure to ask for it when I order.
Hey, Jack, since we're ordering in, do you want to watch a movie while we eat?
That's a fantastic idea. Let's find something on Netflix. Hey Lisa, I'm thinking of cooking dinner tonight. Do you want to join me?
Sure, that sounds like fun. What are you planning to make?
I was thinking of making some stir-fried noodles with vegetables and tofu. How does that sound?
That sounds delicious. Can I help with anything?
Sure, you can chop the vegetables while I prepare the sauce.
Sounds like a plan. Should I start with the carrots or the bell peppers?
Let's start with the carrots and then move on to the peppers. Thanks for helping out, Lisa.
No problem. Oh, by the way, do we have any soy sauce?
Yes, it's in the pantry. I'll grab it for you.
Great, and do we have any sesame oil too?
Yes, it's right next to the soy sauce. I'll get that for you as well.
Jack, do you mind if I put on some music while we cook? It might make the atmosphere more enjoyable.
That's a fantastic idea, Lisa. Go ahead and put on your favorite playlist.
Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share to keep the English learning journey alive.